How to see snaps in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can see snaps in laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to see snaps in laptop, let's say you go to web.snapchat.com, you log into your Snapchat account, but then it says that new snap on mobile, which means that in order to view the snap a person has sent me, I have to log in from my mobile because this is just the web version. Now of course, assuming that let's say you don't have mobile, you don't have access to your mobile, how do you view the snap? There is still a way to do this by simply downloading an Android emulator, which is called BlueStacks. So just go to bluestacks.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Click on the download button here. Once you download it, the installation process is pretty much easy. After you do that, now just go ahead and then make sure to launch BlueStacks on your device. Once you launch BlueStacks on your device, it's going to take a couple of seconds to load the BlueStacks application fully. After you load it up, since this is just an Android emulator, you have to log in your Google account and do everything, and then you'll see Play Store inside of BlueStacks, right? So all you have to do is simply make sure that you see the Play Store tab here. And after you do that, you simply want to click on Open Google Play Store. Now in the search box, just go ahead and type in Snapchat here. Once you type in Snapchat, make sure to go ahead and then basically download the Snapchat app. And after you download the Snapchat app, you should be able to just go ahead and then actually open the Snapchat app, log into your account, and you'll enable all the functions just like that you see on your mobile phone as well. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically see snaps in laptop. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.